Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking for a really comfortable, cozy dress to wear this summer, then I want to show you this one from Simier Fariry. I love this dress. I've had it for quite a while, and it is amazing. Incredibly comfortable. It has a lot of stretch to it, which is what we want, and it has pockets, always a really great feature, and it's just super, super comfortable. It's light, it's airy, it flows really well. I love the length. It comes, for me, about to my knee or just a little bit below. It has a sort of scalloped hem in the front and the back, so it comes up a little bit on the sides, and it's just an awesome dress. It's really easy to throw on and have an outfit totally complete, and it's nice and casual, easy to wear in lots of circumstances, but you can also dress it up a little bit, add a jacket or a sweater, throw some heels, even a belt, and it looks really cute. I also love the polka dot print, but it does come in a bunch of different colors and prints, so you have a lot of options to choose from. You could get one in every color. So if you're looking for a really soft, comfortable, easy to wear dress, then I would definitely recommend this one. I think it's just an awesome dress for any closet, and that's my point of view.